Comparable to a flawlessly positioned tee shot, this estate home prominently overlooks the third green of Las Colinas at the Mission Inn Resort and Club. In a nature-filled location with picturesque views, this exceptional pool home is unlike its counterparts in both form and function. The Cheerful open floor plan offers high ceilings, custom built-in cabinetry, arched millwork, hickory flooring, a natural gas fireplace, and a 14-foot pocket door opening to a spaciously comfortable pavered lanai. Sharing this lavishly tropical space is a well-designed summer kitchen, a salt pool with stacked stone spa, and dazzling waterfall feature, creating the ultimate outdoor living experience. Architecturally pleasing, a generous formal dining area and semi-formal living space seamlessly connect to the gourmet kitchen, presenting high-end appliances such as Thermidor, Bosch, and Miele, whereas the well-equipped butler pantry offers the perfect location for small appliances while boasting supplementary cabinets and incredible storage capacity. The Grand Master Suite creates a comfortable retreat with its his and hers custom closets, spacious walk-in shower, jetted garden tub, and designer framed mirrors. A generous bonus room has separate HVAC and full bath, making the perfect guest suite. A Jack and Jill bath is located between bedrooms 2 and 3, while a fourth bedroom takes in the views of the golf course with direct access to the pool area. Thermo windows and 3 HVAC systems allow for ultimate energy efficiency, while a backup generator ensures you won't be left without AC and lights. In Mission Inn, you'll enjoy a premium lifestyle with 2 18-hole championship golf courses, tennis, fitness and spa, restaurants, lounges, hotel, and an exclusive marina on the Harris chain of lakes, while offering privacy and tranquility tucked just far enough away from the hustle and bustle of the city, while only a short commute to Orlando Airport and all the area attractions. With tremendous value at this price, this home cannot be duplicated. Call now to schedule your showing.